I'm gonna eat dinner and then we're gonna open the box. Happy holidays, everyone. I don't know if the audio is picking up my dishwasher. I wasn't planning to stream, so. But maybe. Maybe you can't hear it. I don't know. I can definitely hear it. Every Christmas, my aunt and uncle send me a gift box. It's pretty dope. I sent out holiday cards, of course. If you, I mean, you probably should have already got it by now, but if you didn't, I don't know. You send me a text or something, I'll certainly see if I had you on my mailing list, and if I didn't, I'll add you to the mailing list. But I think next year we don't send out holiday cards. We just send out a holiday box like my aunt and uncle. I don't know why I haven't been doing this every year. Like I think I could put together a pretty good box. I mean, this is gonna be an awesome box you're gonna see, but I think I could do something pretty good too. Hope everyone's been having a good December. Looking forward to the holidays for sure. Honestly, I have something big I've kind of been working on, or I'm kind of going to be working on in the new year. You can check out the website for updates for sure. Should be seeing some updates sometime pretty soon for sure. But no spoilers on that tonight. We're just opening the box, so. I was pretty busy this weekend. I caught almost no football, so definitely going to be checking out Monday Night Football tonight. But with the volleyball match yesterday and all the other stuff I had going on, didn't really catch much football. But I don't know if you saw the volleyball yesterday on ABC, but. It was disappointing. We lost. We lost in 3 sets. But honestly, it wasn't nearly as bad as 2001 when we lost in 5 sets. We lost in 5 sets, and it was like, I don't know, that was heartbreaking. So, if you were disappointed yesterday about the game, just know it could have been like a million times worse. But it was a good season, regardless, and but you know, if you've been following my picks earlier the year, I mean, I pretty much called it. You know, I talked about how good they were going to be, and I don't know, proved right. Like I said Harper Murray was going to be National Freshman of the Year. She wasn't, but she was Big Ten Freshman of the Year. Certainly the Krause injury was disappointing. Not that Ollie didn't play well, because she did, but all right, we're going with 3 pieces tonight, so one more. If people aren't here after me eating 30 pieces, then they're just gonna miss out on the unboxing. I think maybe I'm using my phone to stream, so I don't know. It used to be that it would show chat when I was streaming on my phone, but I think maybe it still does. But I have no idea. I have no idea. So I apologize if you're chatting at me and I'm not responding. But to be honest, I realize that's what I like. You know, is just like not to get too distracted by chat. I was saying that my predictions were good about volleyball, so I don't know. Look out if my predictions are right about volleyball, about softball coming up in the spring. And of course, we have baseball, so. With the expanded Big 12, you know. At some point, I'm sure. Somewhere down the road, you know. Certainly have some opportunities to see a lot more of the country, you know. Almost ready for this box opening. All right, we got the hands washed. The moment you've been waiting for. Pair of scissors. See how big this box is? You're gonna get one of these from me next Christmas. This is the medium flat rate box. That's what we're gonna go for. Taped up real nice. Let's see. All right, here we go. First thing we got. We have the Hawaii, the Aloha State 2024 calendar. January we got Waikiki. February we got the Big Island. December, Pearl Harbor. I don't know, looking pretty nice. And so we got the, again, this is the Aloha State 2024 calendar. We also have, up next, Hawaii, the Garden Isle 2024 calendar. 2 calendars. Oh, what is this? What is this here? It's wrapped up with tissue paper. Oh, look at this keychain. Look at this keychain. Is this a magnet? Yeah, it is. We got a Hawaii magnet. And calendar number 3, pocket size. All right. Some Hawaiian Host Mac Nut Crunch. It's a milk chocolate covered macadamia and crisp rice. We got the Hawaiian Host Maui Caramax. Creamy caramel and macadamias covered in milk chocolate. We have some Wholesale Unlimited, Hawaii's favorite local snack. So Hawaiian snack here. This is the furikake mix. It's like a I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, we got another big one here. We got the pia mix. We got the translation there, the peanut mix. Again, Hawaiian snack here. It's a big package. Got a couple cans of nuts. These are just the macadamias. Oh, milk chocolate. Chocolate covered macadamias. Chocolate covered. And then dark chocolate covered. Oh, I missed another. Okay, this is just Aloha Max. This is the more traditional milk chocolate and macadamia. Okay, we got some. We got some pineapple gummies. Very interesting here. And then we got some carefully wrapped items. Carefully wrapped here. We have some Kula black raspberry jam. We got some jam. Made in Hawaii, Hawaiian jam. And so maybe same thing here, different. So that was that black raspberry. Oh, and some coconut butter. Coconut butter. Big shout out to Uncle Junior, Auntie Diane, hooking me up as always, hooking us all up. I'm sure all my siblings got a box, and I don't know. I just thinking about it, like why am I not, why am I just sending out a Christmas card? Why don't you get a box? So let's just put it down for next year. Next year, I'm gonna send out some boxes. Anyways, hope everyone's having a nice holiday. Maybe more streams coming up. I don't know. We're not really going to be playing games, but I got some other things I'm working on. And I don't know. Look for them come January. But wish everyone a happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.